What is up, Hemi heads and hard shifters? It is Hemi now, back with another video. Time to go get this muffler delete. Oh yeah, for those that are new here, this is my 2020 Silver Lake camper that we bought. Just sold our house and we bought this right here to travel and do vacation in. So we're gonna be vacationing until our new house is done being built. But anyway, let's go ahead and get that cold start. See what this bad boy gonna sound like. Now that's before the muffler delete. It's got the active exhaust. It's pretty loud when you first start it up, but then it sounds like a little sewing machine or something. It gets really, really quiet. So I'll give you another start before they get ready to cut the mufflers off, and then let you hear what it sounds like when it's warm. Oh yeah, it's going up. Going up in the air, y'all. Gonna get that thing chopped. Gonna get it whacked. They got man 901 Trey over here. He didn't bring the dog this time, but we got Sunday Man Vlog with us. My two nephews. Y'all said what's up to him? Yeah, man, the dog ain't here today. Had to go on here and order them tips, man, but y'all get a chance to see what it's looking like up under here. Yes, sir, but we up on the rack. 901 Trey about to do these things for me, man. We're gonna get him to saw off right quick, man. Yes, sir. Got Sully man up under there. Sully man gonna change the oil on it while they got up in there, man. He up there looking, man. He's so tall, he about to stand up under that thing, man. Yes, sir. No audio, no video. There it is. Junior has been delivered. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's about to get welded up. My man Ed right here, you know what he's doing, y'all. Got my nephew Sully man over here recording, man. Go ahead and spell that. Go ahead and spell that channel out for him.
SULLYMAN space VLOGS. Sully Man Vlog.
That's what's up, my nephew 901 Trey over here. Go ahead and shout him out.
901.
There it is. He ain't gotta say nothing. He got that drip. He got he got that Ric Flair drip. Also, go check my nephew out. Here's all the information. Southern Man Vlog. He does intros, weddings, whatever you need a picture for, he can do it. So you check him out. That's his card right there. Go check him out. Yes, sir. The baby girl has been born. There's the baby boy. There's the baby girl. All right, new one going on. Yes, sir. She coming down. She coming down. All right, first start. Oh, yes, sir. She ready. She ready. Let me go ahead and bag that. Oh, yeah, it sounds pretty good. Y'all like that? Yeah, it's talking.
Yeah, it sounds like popcorn. And then, you know, it got to settle in, too, so it might get a little louder than what it is.
It's got to do like the truck did. Yeah, so we're about to get that start up with the new pipes. Got my nephew Sully Man Vlog, and they're about to start that thing. Oh, we ready, Sully? You gonna give us some revs in that thing? Go on, give us some revs in it. Yes, sir. Y'all hear it? Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, you know, let me know what's up. I know y'all want to hear what those Zeus sound like from the inside. I'm going to give you a little pull. Yes, sir. Just a little something to the next video. Him and now signing out. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it even sounds better at idle now. That sucker breathing. More mods coming. Stay tuned.